CPA, or cost per action, is a method of affiliate marketing. The action that you get paid for is to drive traffic to a specific site and get your visitors to fill out a form with some personal details, usually an email address or a zip code. That's all. No pre-selling, no refunds, no long sales pitches, or any of the hundreds of traditional affiliate marketing woes to worry about. When done correctly, CPA is one of the simplest ways to monetize a website. A CPA network is what makes this all possible. CPA networks bring advertisers and publishers together and act as sort of a middleman, vetting both sides and making sure their publishers get paid for their efforts. On one side, the advertiser provides an offer, say for car insurance, some marketing materials, and then pays the network commission for making it available to CPA affiliates. On the other side, these affiliates market the products via their websites, drive traffic to the sites, and generate sales leads. The sweet bit is whether the customer actually buys the product or not. The CPA affiliate still gets paid simply for generating the sign-up.